me. I am at the peak of my boredom. I am walking. You might ask, where am I? I'm at my grandma's. You might ask why. It's Thanksgiving and we're with family. I'm bored. I have a camera. This could end bad. No, I think a car's coming. Go kart, go! Go kart, go! Go kart, go! Going, going, going. Going, going, going. It's gone! Oh, super good. Anyway, so yeah. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at all the houses. They're so beautiful! Yes, my retarded wave. Everyone loves it. Yeah, pretty much. This is pretty much it. It's so exciting. Turning, turning, turning. Round the corner, look, a bird. Oh, it went away. Never mind. No, wait. It's on the roof. See, you can see it. It's walking. It's walking. It's walking. Okay, I'm bored.